Big barra, I think. Yes! You beauty! Oh, what a ripper! Didn't even have a chance to get my other camera on. Hey, gotta be happy with that. Beautiful fish. Hey? I'm gonna stand on that lure. Got shit everywhere in this boat. If my wife was here, Marie, she'd still say it was tidier than my shed. But anyway, well, that was a great start to the morning. Just thought I'll troll past this point. And look what we got. A nice 78 centimetre barra. Absolute beauty. I trolled him up. Probably her. But yep, on this $5 clearance lure from, I think it was BCF or Anaconda, one of those, just out of the clearance bins, those bargain bin things, $5. Can't remember what it was called, but it works. But yep, not a bad start this morning. The trip out here, not really for the faint-hearted, because it was really foggy. Visibility probably down about 30 metres. Just have to trust the old technology. But yeah, great start to the morning. Great start. I'm just going to lob it out. There. This one's going to get the big bullet. Just like that. I might throw this one over here. Right there is a crocodile. Just keep on swimming, buddy. Nothing to see here. Keep on swimming. Feels very sharky. Feels very sharky. What have we got? What are you? Queenie. Come on. They're always great fun to catch. put up a good fight. Come on, mate. Come this way. Come back here. Good sized queenie. Corner of the mouth. That hook just fell out. Hey, beautiful. Nice big queenie. Now, if I let you go, you promise not to take any more bait. Okay. Get the fish on line. What is it? Hey! Thank you! Thought I told you to not take any more of my bait. Sitting here quietly, and I could hear something crawling around in front of my boat. It's one of the crabs I got yesterday. It's a beauty too. But it's your lucky day, one-armed bandit. Oh, he'd be nice too to eat. But your lucky day, buddy. Righto, I'll try a bit of squid this time. Round about there, I reckon. What have we got? Took the squid. We have well, that might be the last time I use squid. I think that, well, the squid's gone in the water, spat it out. Gee whiz, thank you very much. You've got to be very careful with catfish because that dorsal spike will inflict a great deal of pain, so that's why a lot of people don't like catching them. But what have you got? What are you? Oh. Thank you. You can have my hook. So this is how I tie my hook onto my line. Just grab the main line, just fold it in half. So it's about so long, 6 inches I suppose. Pinch the end of it. And then push it through the eye of the hook, like so. So the hook sits like that. Then just tie an overhand knot, like that. And then this loop here, just put that over the hook, like that. Pull it tight, nice and easy. Lubricate it. Really easy. Well, it has to be easy for me to do it. And then just cut the tag off. God, how bad am I? Using side cutters. Anyway, gets the job done. So yeah, stick your live mullet on or a couple of deadies and you're right to go. Look. Look, there's far away, man, two of them. Look at them. There's a shark. Don't know if you can see him. Just sitting at the back of my boat. I bet you my rod will go off in a minute, because my rods are just over there, so looks like another hook coming up. Righto, the sharks have moved in, so I'm going to go see if I can get some live bait. I'm getting a bit low on bait, so might as well spend a half an hour or so getting some live bait. They're just relentless, the sharks, they just take everything. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh yes, yes. These are good size too. These look very good. A few there. I noticed this one here has been hammered by something. Probably one of them bloody sharks. Anyway, there's my bait. There's my bait for the next bit. So what I do, guys, is when I get them, I try not to handle them with my right hand, because that's what I use to put my sunscreen and everything on. So I find that kills them. I've also got a couple of aerators just in there, bubbling away, and I find that keeps them alive. But if I handle them with my right hand, they often die. I think it's because of the DEET that's in the Bushmans. So always with my left hand. Righto, I've moved spots. The sharks are still over the other side, so I thought I'd try this side. It's in the shade too, which is nice, cool. Has anyone got any hacks on how to bloody get these chuppa chups undone? They take longer to unwrap than I do to eat. Driving me nuts. Anyway, see how we go at this spot, eh? I've just got 2 live mullet out, and hopefully I can get this undone. I might call it quits for today. It's been a pretty good day. Got a nice barra in the morning, and just watching the sea eagles and the kites. Just awesome birds. But yeah, I might head back to camp. I've got a few chores to do. The wind's picking up now, so I've got a bit of a drive, probably about an hour to get back to camp. So if you've watched this far and you've enjoyed it, could you please subscribe and push the like button to share? It'd help me out a lot. Really appreciate that, thank you. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow on the water, no doubt. Thank you.